Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato sauce for pizza. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a 28-ounce can of good quality crushed tomatoes, which forms the heart of our sauce. Also, grab 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced, and about 1/4 of a small onion diced. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. These simple items will create a fantastic flavor base. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once warm, add your minced garlic and diced onion. Sauté them gently for about 3 to 4 minutes until they become fragrant and translucent, but don't let them brown. Next, carefully pour in the entire 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Once all the ingredients are combined, bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan, and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. After simmering, use an immersion blender to achieve your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, others perfectly smooth. Finally, taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt or pepper if you like. After your delicious pizza sauce has cooled completely, transfer it to an airtight container. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for up to 3 months for future pizza nights. When you're ready to make pizza, simply spread about 1/2 cup of sauce evenly over a 12-inch pizza crust. For a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.